Hi. In order to animate like this, what I've done is I've used the Asset Warp tool. This is your Asset Warp tool. And to do that, you have to go through what is called Asset Warp tool. So this is your tool. You have the hard, soft, and fixed. And if you go to object, it will give you more, whether you want to see the mesh. This is the mesh that you see. And this is the envelope that you create. The envelope are the outline points. You can not see and hide. And then you have bone type, bone control, like freeze. So basically, using that with keyframes, you can get into the animation itself. So let me start fresh and show you how it is done. So what I'm going to do is, okay, control or call command, middle mouse button makes it smaller. I'm going to go to classic brush and take the red color, make it big. Doesn't matter what shape. And then I can go in. Take any object, doesn't matter what the shape of the object is. So once you have done that, you can easily select it and then click on the Asset Warp tool, and then you click inside it. So I've undone the mesh so you can see the mesh. You can increase the number of mesh. The more warp you want, you can increase that. So the mesh actually controls the movement and all to a certain extent. So I can go in onto frame 20. Create a keyframe. And then I can go to tools or object. Activate envelope so you can get the border. So you can see that the border, what you call points, come in. So if you go in, see, if you go to the line, it creates a curve line, but before that it creates the pin that you need. You don't want to do that. You want to go to the arrow, click on it and drag it. You can also do a Bezier curve. So the easiest approach is do the alternate ones first. And then I go to say 50, create a keyframe, and I want to warp it more. So you, depending on how fast and slow you want, or how much distortion you want. You can also use transform tool, make it smaller. Wait. So once you have done that, you select the whole layer by clicking over here and do a right click and do create classic tween. And then once you rewind it and play it, so let me loop it. If you click on loop, this will come up and you can increase what the loop should be. So this is the easiest way of using the warp tool with envelope selected, soft mesh, and then you have the hard one, hard bones. So you can see that in object mode you can see all that. In tool you just see soft or fix or hard, and then you can activate that. So the hard bones, we can look at that and go to the next video. Hope that helps.